This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the workbook so the PDF matches your intent. Save a copy, then define the print area or select the exact cells you want exported. Once done, set orientation to portrait or landscape and adjust page breaks so tables don't split oddly. Also set margins and scale to fit 100% or fit sheet on one page, so text size is acceptable. Make sure headers, footers, and hidden rows are handled now to avoid surprises later. Next, export to PDF using Save As or the print dialog. Choose File Save As and pick PDF, or File Export Create PDF/XPS for the standard path. Alternatively, choose Print and select Microsoft Print to PDF to control pagination. In the dialog, pick whether to publish the active sheet, entire workbook, or selection. Select page range if needed. Once you choose standard or minimum size for quality, click Publish or Print. Finish by opening the created PDF and scanning every page to confirm layout, fonts, and page order. If fonts look wrong or spacing changed, re-export with font embedding enabled or choose PDF/A for preservation. That preserves appearance across devices. If content is missing, double-check hidden sheets, print areas, and print titles that might exclude data. When tables break across pages, return to page break settings and re-export. One tip: resave the Excel file, restart the app, and try again if the export hangs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.